No matter what projects you're working on, you'll need your machine to be running at peak performance. Sawblade.com's aftermarket quality bandsaw guide kits are the dynamic upgrade you need to take your cutting to the professional level. Hi, I'm product specialist Celeste, and this is the General 15-inch bandsaw guide upgrade kit. Adding this valuable, economical guide kit to your machine will help you master intricate cuts, stop blade drifting, and increase blade life. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides and is perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of solid high-grade aluminum and utilize performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with 2 front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All 3 bearings are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades ranging from 3/16 of an inch to 1 inch and comes complete with a specially machined mounting hardware, a new machined guide post, lower and upper machined guide blocks, and a precision bearing. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all of your aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory for parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.